So today we're going to be working on this privet tree. I must apologise for the mess, there's been a lot of work going on. And you may have seen me pruning this a day or two ago, depends on what time I upload it. But if I just get my stick, all this round here is dead, all under here. And if I look up here, I think that's actually hollow here, so we can probably empty all that out in there. But yeah, let's get to it. And here we are. This is all we can do for now. If you like this video, please comment, like or subscribe. And if you don't, then no worries. Look forward to updating in the future.